Hello everyone and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we'll be creating these gorgeous Christmas decorations that I've created using Dollar Tree items. So I'm starting off with these spiked wreaths. Now this is an ornament from the Dollar Tree and it does come with the reindeer in the middle. I've spray painted these wreath forms gold and I'll be using the small fishbowl from Dollar Tree on top of that. I absolutely love the simplicity of this piece, but it's still unique and beautiful. So next I'll be using this chopping mat from Dollar Tree. Now if you cannot find these chopping mats, you can use a clear plastic, and I'll be adding my hot glue around the edge here to create my cone. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that in place until that hot glue dries, and then I'll be cutting off the excess. I'll be using these clear crystal dazzlers that I've purchased from Hobby Lobby. Now they do sell these at Dollar Tree, but it'll be more affordable to purchase these either at Hobby Lobby or on Amazon. You will get a lot more for your money. So I'm going to be using my hot glue just to add these crystals all around this. Once at the top of my cone, I like to go in with these smaller crystals, and then I also use these smaller crystals to fill in any gaps in between the larger crystals at the bottom. And here's how the crystal trees turned out. I've made a set of 3 and I absolutely love the way these turned out. So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. I hope that you're continuing to stay safe, and I will talk to you in the next one.